So you had a strategy in the article that talked about, not really so much timing of carbs, but that by eating protein and fiber first, you set yourself up to have a better outcome. Could you talk about how protein and fiber are one, how important they are to us, and why, but how it could be used to help us manage our blood glucose levels?
Yeah, I mean they're hugely important uh, macronutrients, as I'm sure you know your listeners are aware. Fiber is well, proteins really important for building muscle, principally, and fiber is key to healthy digestion, and it's also really important for feeding the microbiome, which we know is increasingly implicated in all sorts of health metrics. Um, but the idea behind the strategy that I wrote about in the article is that if you say you had a plate of food and you had some meat, some vegetables, and some bread, and the order that you eat that food could make a difference to your blood glucose levels, because if you eat the fiber first, so you eat the leafy vegetables that you have, that's going to kind of line your digestive system. Fiber, a lot of fiber is not digested, so that will line your system. And then you eat the protein next, that's digested much more slowly than carbohydrates, so it slows down your digestion. And if you eat the carbs on top of that, then it means you'll have less of a spike in your blood glucose afterwards. And the same logic means that if you did want to eat some dessert, you should probably eat it straight away as part of your meal rather than having it like a snack later in the day when you've given your digestion that break. And if you eat it at that point, you're just going to be hitting your system with a massive sugar high.